Well, hello there. Welcome to another break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett me. And when I went out for some groceries this morning, I stopped into my Target to check out some things and decided, well, what the heck? I'll check the card aisle to see if there was anything there. And it looked like they had done some rearranging. There was a bunch of factory sets of Topps baseball, and then there were two lone blasters of MVP hockey. So I grabbed one. I still haven't seen any Lorcana at all at Target. I've even gone down into the toy section to see if maybe they did have a display like someone else posted, and still nothing. So again, these are going to come with one exclusive gold script, and looks like we get 15 packs. So there's going to be quite a few cards out of this. And they want to fall over, so kind of split it up into 2 8, or actually 7 and 8, I guess, piles. So let's hop into it and see what kind of craziness comes out of this. I mean, obviously it's going to be mostly just base cards, but we do get the ice battles. So there's a Martin Jones ice battles for the Kraken, or not, yeah, the Kraken. And we got a rookie of Vincent Descharnay for Edmonton. And then we got a Charlie McAvoy and a JT Miller. And these blasters were $20, so not too crazy expensive. And looks like here's our gold script right here. And oh no, it's an ice rep gold. Evgeny Malkin, so Gino, Petrangelo, Joel Farabee, Jonas Donskoy, Zach Werenski, and a gold ice reps of Logan Couture and S.J. Sharkey. So that's because their base ones are just regular foil. Oh, we got one of those. Oh, we got an ice battle rookie of Joona Koppanen. I guess we'll put that in just a regular ice battle pile. Yossi, Matt Dumba, and our alternate threads for the Detroit Red Wings of Larkin, Sider, and Veli Husso. And this must be our gold script here. Austin Matthews ice battles. Jacob Chychrun, Johnny Gaudreau, Victor Hedman, Jordan Eberle, and a gold script of Max Domi for the Blackhawks. Lucas Raymond, Mark Stone, ice battle of Kyle Palmieri, Drake Batherson, Andre Vasilevsky, and Ryan O'Reilly. I mean, normally I wouldn't even get these, but it was just like, what the heck? Well, looks like we got one of our retro MVPs. Got an ice battle of Patrick Kane, Kasperi Kapanen, Pierre-Luc Dubois, Ryan McDonough, Vander Kane, and our MVP talent of Patrick Laine. For the Blue Jackets. Next pack. Eeli Tolvanen, Riley Smith, and our Stars of the Rink, our Temi Panarin, Ice Battle, Joel Eriksson Ek, Matthew Barzal, and Gabriel Landeskog. Next pack. Looks like we got a silver script, checklist, Yaroslav Askarov, Sid, Ryan Johansson, Nikita Kucherov, Victor Arvidsson, and Devon Tays. Or Devon Tays. Silver script. Last half. Travis Konechny, Artemi Panarin, William Nylander, Thatcher Demko, Ice Battle, Jason Robertson, and Jaden Swartz. At least the packs open easy. Not like a lot of Upper Deck products. Shea Theodore, Vladimir Tarasenko, John Klingberg, Ice Battle, Jacob Voracek, Kirby Dach on the Canadiens, and Kevin LeBanc. Kyle Connor, Brady Shea, another MVP talent, retro, Elias Pettersson, Ice Battle of Milan Lucic, Carter Hart, Jake Ottinger. Uh-oh, don't want to knock. Oh no, he did fall over. Dang it. Come on, Boba. Don't be drunk. Sean Moynihan, Corey Perry, Ryan Suter, Aaron Ekblad, Ice Battle, the Nuge, and for some reason he was upside down, Trevor Zegras. Last three packs. Matthew Joseph, Phil Kessel, Dylan Cousins, Ice Battle, Thomas Hertel, Jonathan Quick, Andrew Kopp. Down to the final two. So we hit our last silver script. Ice Battle, Sebastian Aho, Clayton Keller, TJ Oshie, Oliver Ekman-Larsson, Elias Pettersson, and the Bo Horvat silver script. Last pack, last chance for anything crazy. Anything? I don't think so. Cale Makar, Seth Jones, Ice Battle of Jack Roslovic, Matt Murray, the other Matt Murray rookie for the Stars, Tom Wilson, and Mikko Rantanen. So I only got 2 rookies out of that entire box. I mean, I did get the one Ice Battle rookie, but Matt Murray and Vincent Descharnay. And then for all of the inserts, got the Bo Horvat silver script MVP, the retro MVP talent of Elias Pettersson, Devon Tays silver script, Stars of the Rink, Artemi Panarin insert, another MVP talent, Patrick Laine, our gold script, the Max Domi, an alternate thread insert for the Detroit Red Wings, and the Logan Couture gold ice wrap with S.J. Sharkey. So yeah, that concludes this blaster box break of 2023-24 Upper Deck MVP hockey. So hope you all have a great rest of your day, and as always, keep collecting.